with the polynomials, the second exercise, guys. So let's start with it. The graphs of y equals to p of x. P of x means polynomial, right? The given polynomial p of x are given in the figure below for some polynomials p of x. In each case, find the zeros of polynomial. So here, guys, they have given few graphs. Okay, they have given few graphs and they have drawn the points. Like they have intersected the points in this given graph, and now they are asking to find the zeros of the polynomial. How many zeros are there for the each given graph? Okay, for each given polynomial. So firstly, let us assume that polynomial is p of x. Okay, don't consider any polynomial over here because they have not given over here. But the first pictures, they have given few figures over here. Okay, in our textbook they have given few figures. You may look into it. Now here, guys, you have the first figure is this. Okay. Now where the graph has drawn, where x-axis, y-axis. Now how many zeros are there, or find zeros for this given polynomial, and what you do? What would be the answer for this given figure? Yeah, definitely the answer will be no zeros are fine. But this graph is not having any zeros. Okay, no zeros are there. Because, guys, no zeros are there because where if here, okay, this is the graph, right? Now here we can say the zeros of polynomial when the graph actually intersects the x-axis. Here this graph is intersecting what? Y-axis. So this is y-axis, this is x-axis, right? So the graph is intersecting what? Which point it is intersecting? It is intersecting y-axis. It's not intersecting x-axis. Thus I can say that. Therefore, this is not having any zeros. So no zeros are there over here. But if I draw a graph like this, somewhat like this, okay, let us make a graph like this. So here the point, so this graph is intersecting, so here a point where this graph is intersecting x-axis, right? So this graph is intersecting x-axis, thus this is having a point, okay, where the number of zeros for this given graph is 1, it would be 1, but here there will be no graph. So guys, I can say there are no zeros for this given graph. Clear? Well, because the graph is intersecting y-axis. Remember, the graph is intersecting what? Y-axis. Y-axis. Clear? No x-axis. Clear? Let's go for the second one. Second figure. Okay. Let me draw over here. This will be the graph. So, say x dash, y dash, and what is the figure over here? This gives something like this. Is it one? Okay. So, how many zeros are there in this given polynomial? Find the zeros of polynomial through this given figure, from this given figure. What would you do? You just round it. As I said, what happens here? Can I say this is zeros of polynomial where here the point is intersecting y-axis? Okay, the graph is intersecting y-axis, and this can be a zeros of polynomial? No, this can't be a zeros of polynomial because it is intersecting y-axis. Okay, look after the axis. Okay, so now it is intersecting y-axis. So here, what happens here? This is x-axis where the zeros of polynomial is only 1 for this given graph because the line, the graph which is there, it is intersecting at x-axis. Okay, the graph which is there, it is intersecting at x-axis, so therefore only 1 zero is existed, or 1 zero is there for this given polynomial. So solution, how many zeros are there? How many zeros of polynomial? How many zeros are there? Only 1 zero. Okay, 1 zero is there for this given polynomial. Clear? You don't consider this, guys. You don't consider this. Okay, these two steps. Okay, ready. So this is only the clear. Very good. Now let me go for the third one. Okay. So the third graph given over here. Let me again draw x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. Okay. So here you have x dash, y dash. What's the given figure over there? 1, 2. Okay. Now you say. Now guys, you find out the points. Okay, I'm not going to find out the points now. How many points are there for this given graph? How many zeros are there? Sorry, not points, but how many zeros of the polynomial is there for this given graph? 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. So how many points are there for this given graph? How many zeros of polynomial are there? How many zeros are there? Yeah. You have 1, 2, 3. Right? You only have 3 but no guys, here it's not intersecting, okay? Where it is intersecting y-axis, not x-axis, so don't consider this point, okay? Consider this only 3 points, why? Because here this is intersecting x-axis, this is x-axis, okay? This is x-axis. The parallel one is x-axis, the perpendicular one is y-axis. So here what you do, vertical one is y-axis. So here what you do, you have this lines, okay, where the points intersecting here, 1 point, second point, and third point. So you have 3 points, 3 zeros of polynomial. 3 zeros of polynomial. So the number of zeros of polynomial is 3 because the graph is intersecting at x-axis. So 3 zeros. Clear? 3 zeros. Clear? Hope you understand. Let me go for the next one. 4. Come. Okay. 4. 1. Again our graph. Y dash, x dash. And what's the given figure at present? The figure is this. Okay, the figure is this. What we said? Okay. So here, how many points are there? 2 points. Intersecting points are 2. 1, 2. Solution. The given zeros of polynomial is. Okay. 2 zeros. The given zeros of polynomial is 2 zeros because it's intersecting at x-axis, so only on 2 points. So the given graph is of 2. Okay. Clear? Now what else? 5th one and 6th. Now 5th diagram is something like this. Okay, so this is the 5th one. How many points you say, guys? How many points are intersecting? How many points are intersecting? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 points. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 over here, 2 over here, 3 over here, 4 over here. So 4 points are intersecting on the x-axis of the given graph. Okay? So 4 ZDR. Oh yes, zeros. Okay? Next, what is the 5th one? No, 6th one. Sorry. The last diagram. We are done with the first question. So the last question. Okay. So the last diagram, 5th diagram, 6th diagram. Oh my god, this is something like. No. Okay, I did be. Okay, how many zeros are there in this given polynomial? Sorry, in this given graph. How many zeros are there in this given graph? You see, guys, here in this given graph, where 1 over here, okay, 1 over here, how many points are touching the x-axis? Okay, how many points are touching the x-axis? Where here you have 1, here you have 2, and here you have 3. Okay, where 3 points are exactly touching the x-axis, thus the given zeros of polynomials are 3. Okay, so solution, the zeros of polynomial is 3 zeros we have. Okay, we have 3 zeros because 1, 2, 3, where 3 zeros are intersecting at a point, right? So therefore I can say 3 zeros. Clear? Clear? Okay, understand. Okay. So what in this given question, what we have understood, guys, is when the zeros of polynomial, we can say how many zeros if they ask. So the zeros of polynomial only counts that how many points are exactly touching the x-axis, the graph, at how many points the graph is touching the x-axis in a given graph. Okay. So here we are done with the first one. Let me go for the next one. So second one, guys, we must find the zeros of the polynomial now. Okay, now we have showed the graph, right? We showed the graph, zeros of polynomial on graph, right? But now we must show that find the zeros of given polynomial. They have given few polynomials. Now find the zeros of the given polynomial. So what to do? Firstly, let me write down the question. Find the zeros of given polynomial. Find the zeros of the given polynomial. So they have given few polynomials. Polynomial. Okay. Find the zeros of the given polynomial. So what are the given polynomials? First one. Let me solve first one. Then p of x equals to 3x. Is this the one? Yeah, very good. So first one is p of x equals to 3x. Okay. So find the zeros of the given polynomial. So first polynomial they have given is p of value, if I place that number, then it should be equal to what? 0. Okay, it should give equal to, it should be equal to 0. For example, if I place like instead of x, okay, instead of x, if x equals to 1, if I place 1, then it is 3, right? It is 3. Then if I place instead of x, if x equals to 2, if instead of x, if I place 2, then 3 2 is how much? 6. It's getting 6. But what number or which number I should place to get 3 as 0 means, let me find out. Okay. Okay, let's do first. Let's do this term and then we will be getting it. Okay, when p of x equals to 3x. Okay. So while finding the zeros of polynomial, guys, remember definitely equate the given polynomial with 0. Means equate this with 0. By 3x equals to 0. Place this. Okay, place this 0 over there. Equate with 0. Now what happens with 3x equals to 0? Means what you do? Transpose this 3 to the other side. I need what? I need x value. I need x value. So what you do? Transpose. Let's take this 3 ऊपर ऐसे रखो और इधर रखो. Okay. So transpose this 3 to the other side. Then what happens when x equals to 0 by 3? Means here it is getting multiplied, and if I transpose this, it becomes what? Divide. So now 0 by 3. 0 by 3 is always what? 0. Clear? So then x equals to x value equals 3. So if I place 0 in the x place, okay, well if x equals to 0, then what happens? 3 into 0 equals what? 3 zeros, 0, sorry. 3 zeros are 0. So therefore, I got 0. So therefore, I can say the zeros of the given. Therefore, the zeros of the polynomial is only 0. Okay, the zeros of the polynomial is only 1. So the one digit. So the one digit is what? 0. So the zeros of polynomial. How many zeros of polynomial are there? Okay, they asked what? How many zeros of the polynomial? And find the zeros of the polynomial. So the zeros of polynomial is 1. Okay, we only have 1 zeros of polynomial. Okay, we only have 1 digit. Okay, so the 1 digit is 0. Okay, so this is what we will be finding the zeros of polynomial. Clear? The second one, let me go for the second one. Okay, so done with the first one. The second one is what? The second question. X square, where p of x, let me write down here. By polynomial, right? So p of x equals to x square plus 5x plus 6. So this is the given polynomial. Now find the zeros for this given quadratic polynomial. Okay, find the zeros of this given quadratic polynomial. What you do? What you do? Solution. So here, what you do is, guys, let us consider this as this will be a, b. Okay. Let this be A, let this be B, let this be C, let this be plus. Okay, let it. Okay. So A, B, C. Now what happens is, guys, now what you do is to find zeros for this type of polynomials. What you do is now multiply A into C. Okay, A into C. So what happens? Your A, this will be A, right? So here you are having not, there is no value over here. Okay, only 1 is present. Okay, the value for this is 1. X square, right? So here you are not having any value, so let it be 1. Imagine this is 1, okay? Where 1 into 6. 1 into 6 gives what? 6, 6, 1, 6, right? So 1 into 6 gives 6. So 6, let me write down over here 6. Now here, where we have done what? A into C, right? Now find the factors of A and C. Okay, so the factors for A and C, let it be like E or F. Okay, let the factors of A into C be E and F. Okay, now what I do, if I add E plus F equals to, it should result me B. Okay, if I add E and F, E plus F should result me the value B. Okay, I will explain it clearly. So here you have 6, right? So 6 is the number, okay, when I have just multiplied it 1 into 6. Okay, 1 into 6, 1 into 6. Now here you have 6. So the factors of 6 are what are the factors of 6? There is 6, 6 1s are 6, 6 1s are 6, 6 and 1 are the factors of 6. Okay, and what else? 2, 2, 6, 1, 2, 3, 6. 2, 3s are 6. And what else? 3 2s are 6. And 6. That's all. Okay. Those are a few factors. Okay, I'm not getting, but I got only these 2 factors okay, present. Now what happens here is, guys, where 6 plus 1, if I add 6 plus 1, what you do? See, add 6 plus 1 equals to 7. Okay. Now 6 7. But here the b value is what? B equals to 5. Is this resulting me the b value? No, it's not resulting me the b value. And let me go for the next one. 2 plus 3 or 3 plus 2. So let me go with 2 plus 3. Okay. So 2 plus 3 equals to what? 5. So here I am getting 5, right? So I am getting the value, right? I am getting the value 5. So here what I take? I will be taking only these two factors. Now take these two factors because I got 5. Okay. Where e plus f equals to b. So I got this. So what I have done, I have taken only e plus f values. Okay. Don't take these both factors. First factors don't take, but take second factors. Okay, like this. Now what happens here? You have taken this. Now consider 2 and 3. 2, 3. Okay. Now again right over here, where p of x equals to x square as it is plus 3x plus 2x. 3 plus 2, 5, right? X plus x. So 5x. Plus 6 as it is. Okay. Okay. Remember guys, but these are very important because in your board exams you might also get a question on this. Okay, for 4 marks questions or 6 marks question, either a 6 marks question can also be. So just listen carefully. Okay, so here you have x square plus 3x plus 2x plus 6 equals to x square. Now take common. Okay, take one common. So here I am going to take x as common. So take x as common. So here x square, right? So what you do? X plus 3. Is this okay? Okay. So because x into x square, I am getting x into x square. X into 3, 3x. So plus x into x square plus as it is x into 3, 3x. Okay. So what I do? I will take again plus 2. Okay. Plus 2 over here and make a bracket over there. Now here x. Where 2 into x, 2x plus 3, right? Where 2 3s 6, right? So 3 6. Okay, so add 3 over here. Now what to do guys? Equate the whole equation with 0. I have said it before. First if you find this, equate the whole equation with 0. Okay. Now clear till here? Now what you do is, you have x plus 3 is common, right? In both, here I am getting x plus 3, I can see x plus 3 over here also, where both is having x plus 3. Now I will be taking x plus 3 as common. Take x plus 3 as common. Okay. Now here x plus 2, here x, here you have plus 2. So let it be x plus 2. Take x plus 2 as common. I got what? X plus 3, x plus 2 equals to 0. Equate this both with 0. Equate this both with 0. Now here, let me write over here. Now here what to do? X plus 3 equals to 0. X plus 3 equals to 0 and what is? X plus 2 equals to 0. Clear? This is the one that we are doing. Okay. Now x plus 3 equals 0, x plus 2 equals 0. Now here what happens? X equals to minus 3 and x equals to minus 2. Okay, I will be writing somewhere. Well, let me write over here. Where x equals to what? Minus 3 and x equals to minus 2. Okay, I got x values, right? So therefore, the number of zeros of polynomials. So how many zeros are there? I have got 2 zeros. Where the first one is x equals to minus 3 and x equals to minus 2. If you wanted to justify this, what you do? You try to substitute. If you wanted to prove this, okay? If I wanted to prove this, what you do? Just write here. I would like to prove you. Because where the zeros of polynomial, if I place the minus 3, if I place minus 3 in the x place, then you will be getting 0. Okay? If I place minus 2 in the x place, then you will definitely get 0 as the answer. Okay? So what I do? I will try to prove over here. Where x is square, right? So x square means minus 3 whole square. Okay? Minus 3 whole square plus 5 into x means minus 3, right? So minus 3 plus 6. Clear? Minus 3 into minus 3 how much? 9, right? Plus 5, 15, right? Minus, plus into minus, so minus 15. Clear? Plus 6. Now what you do? Plus minus 9 minus 15 plus 6. Now you go with this. 15. 9 minus 15 how much? 9 minus 15 how much? Minus 6. Minus 6 plus 6 equals what? Minus 6 plus 6 answer 0. So therefore I got what? I got 0, right? I got the value 0. So therefore this is what we can prove. If I go with 2, okay, let us do another thing. You substitute the x value with minus 2, okay? Substitute the x value with minus 2. What happens here? Minus 2 whole square plus 5 into minus 2 plus 6. Clear? So minus into minus plus 4 plus 5 into minus 10. 5 to 10, right? So plus into minus, minus to minus 10 plus 6. Plus 6. Clear? So what do you do? 10. So minus 10. So here you have 4 minus 10 plus 6. Then what you do? 10 minus 10 plus 4. So you got to do? Take out 10. So minus 10 plus 4 or 4 minus 10. This gives what? Minus 6. Minus 6 plus 6 equals to 0 because plus minus gets cancelled. Clear? So this is what we got. So here therefore the zeros of the polynomials, so the zeros of the given polynomial are minus 10, minus 2. So this is what a verification I verified to you. But okay, if you want to do this, it's okay. But what you do? You definitely try to find the zeros by using the justification process I have done just now, right? Right. Okay. Now let me go for the next one. Third question. X plus 2, x plus 3. So here they asked what the second. The third one is very similar to the second one as usual, you know. Where p of x equals to x plus 3 and x plus 2. So this is the given one, guys. For the third one, okay. Well, we have got like in the previous second question we have got what the values of zeros of the polynomial is what? Minus 3, minus 2, right? So here the zeros of polynomial are also minus 3, minus 2 because what I have said where x plus 3 into x plus 2, right? So equate this polynomial with 0 equals to 0. Then what happens with this 0? This 0 is applicable for this equation and this 0 is applicable for this. So x plus 3 equals to 0, or let it be, I would write it at the back. It's okay. X plus 3 equals 0 and x plus 2 equals to 0. X equals to minus 3 and x equals to minus 2. If you observe the video, if you observe the second question, we also stuck with, we got this step, right? In the previous question where x square plus 5x plus 6, right? So for this question we got what? We got x plus 3 and x plus 2. So we have done this step over there, okay? So this is what, guys, where the find the zero, the last one in the second one. So here find the zeros of the polynomial. So here, guys, the given polynomial is where p of x equal to x power 4 minus 16, okay? Where p of x equal to what? X power 4 minus 16. So to solve the given equation, what you do is p of x equal to x power 4 minus 16. So in this, firstly, x power 4 minus 16. Now what you do is, guys, where x power 4 as it is minus 16 can be written as 4 square, where 4 16, right? So I am going to write like 4 square, okay? Now x power 4, where x power 4 can be written as x square whole square, right? X square whole square minus 4 square. Clear? Now what you do is, guys, where x square minus 4 square, this reminds me of a formula where a square minus b square. A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b, right? So this is the formula that we know. A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b, right? We know this formula. So by using that, where a value will be, right? What will be the a value? Consider a value as x square, okay? And b value as 4. Consider a value as x square and b as 4. Then this becomes what? A plus b into a minus b means x square plus 4 into x square minus 4. Clear? This is whole, what I have said before, equate the whole equation equal to 0. Okay, equate the whole equation with 0 means x square plus 4, x square minus 4. This becomes what? X square plus 4 equal to 0 and what else? X square minus 4 equal to 0. Okay, and let it be 10. X square minus 4 equal to 0. Okay, now what you do? Transpose this plus 4 to the other side. This becomes what? X square equal to minus 4. Now transpose this square to the other side. This becomes root, right? So then this becomes from this I am writing it. Where if I transpose this square to the other side, this becomes root. Where x equals to root of minus 4. This is equals to what? Minus 2. Means 4 4s. 2 2's 4. Okay? 2 2's 4. So this becomes root over minus 4 equals to minus 2. Now here from the other side, from the other equation, the second equation. Okay? This is the second one. From the second equation, what can we say? Like here where x square minus 4 equal to 0. So x square equal to plus 4. If I transpose this minus 4 to the other side, this becomes plus 4. Now square to the other side, this becomes what? Root, okay? Where x square equals to, where x equal to root of 4. Where root is 4, right? Where square root of 4, where root over 4 equal to 2, where 2 is 4. So therefore, I can say, therefore, the zeros of polynomial is minus 2, 2 are the zeros of polynomial for this given equation. Okay? So therefore the zeros of polynomial for this given equation is minus 2, 2.